Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more scenario for user-defined command. So here you can see that I have created one CL program and one CMD source. So let's go through in the program CL that we have created. So here you can see, so let me tell you one thing like why we are creating this command. So this command will help us to clear all the data of the physical file using a shortcut key CMD6. Okay, so for this particular reason we will create this command. So how to do this? For this you need to write pgm inside the program and just press F4. So once you press F4 it will ask for the parameter, so I'm passing the parameter as ampersand file. Then we need to declare this variable. So to declare the variable you can write dcl, and here you can pass the variable name, type as character, and length as 10. Then simply hit enter. Now to clear the file we usually go with this command clrpfm. So you can write clrpfm, then press F4, and here you can pass the file, the physical file name, because we are taking it as a parameter. So you can pass parameter name ampersand file, library Sharmit1, and by default it is taking the member from star first. If you want to clear it, the particular member, then you can specify the name here. So this variable will be populated by the command parameter, and then likewise it will delete the data from that pf using clrpfm. Then we are doing pgm. So this is a quite simple program, so I'm just going to saving it and exit. Now we will see the CMD source. So in CMD source we are just using two things. Firstly, you can write CMD. Here in your prompt portion you can write the message description which you want to show. Like right now for CMD command it is coming like this. So in our own user defined command it will look like this: CLR clear file. Then simply hit enter. Now write param. Here you can pass the keyword as file, type as a star char, length as 10, and then do page down. Here you can find one field for minimum values required, mark it as 1, then go down and keep the prompt text as enter file name, then simply hit enter and just do save and exit. Fine, so both the sources are compiled. Now I will show you the data in my pf. So this is the test pf. If I do run query over it, so you can see it contains 2 records, right? So with our command it will be cleared. So let's see how. So for that we will create the command using these two things. So I'm writing it like crt-cmd, pressing F4. Here we will pass the shortcut which we want to create, cmd6. Library name is Sharmit1, program name is this, library is again Sharmit1. Here we will pass the source file name. So my source file name is Sharmit, and here I will pass the library name again, and here we need to pass the command source name which is user cmd6, and then simply hit enter 3 times with default value. So now you can see the command is created. Again we will verify the data here. So it contains 2 records. So we will hit the command. So to hit the command we will simply write cmd6 and then hit enter, cmd6. Then it will ask for this parameter because we make it as required field, and this is the keyword coming here. This is prompt description, this is also prompt description. Now we will pass the file name as test pf and then simply hit enter. Now if we check the data again, then it should not be there because the command is executed successfully. So you can see that data is not there. So this is how we can create our user defined command for clearing the physical file, and this you will need when you are working on a project or on a application where there is a requirement to clear more than 20 or like many files are there to be cleared. So in that case we can write a simple command, and with that user command you can easily clear all the data in just one shortcut, with just one shortcut. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.